Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve this interesting equation, and here we're going to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Okay, so let's get started. First, let us multiply both sides by x. So here we get x multiplied by square root of x squared all over x. So this is equal to x multiplied by 1 all over x plus 1, right? So we can see that this x, we cancel this x from here. Then we have from here the square root of x squared is equal to, here we get x divided by x plus 1, right? Okay, now take a look at this left hand side. The square root of a squared is not the same with the square root of a whole squared. Okay, so this one here, this one right over here is equal to a, because this square will cancel the square root, but this one is another case, right? This one is just the absolute value of a. Take note of this. So this left hand side is just the absolute value of x. So our equation will become the absolute value of x is equal to x divided by x plus 1. Okay, so now take note of the following. When we have that the absolute value of k is equal to p, so this means that k is equal to both plus or minus p. So take note of this. So from here we have that x is equal to plus or minus x all over x plus 1. Okay, so we have two different equations to solve. The first, we have x is equal to positive x over x plus 1, and the second, we have x is equal to negative x over x plus 1. Now to solve these equations, cross multiply from here. So x will multiply this one, so x times x plus 1 will be equal to 1 times x, which is x, right? So we get x squared plus x is equal to x. So we can see from both sides that x is positive, so we can subtract x from both sides, and here we get x squared is equal to 0. From here, take root of both sides, so we get x is equal to square root of 0, which is 0, right? So we have 0 here. Now let's go to this, cross multiply, you get x into bracket x plus 1 is equal to negative x. We get here x squared plus x is equal to negative x. We get x squared plus x, then we add this x, this is equal to 0. This will give us x squared plus 2x is equal to 0. So let's factor out x, we are left with x plus 2, that this is equal to 0. From here, this implies that either x is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. And for this equation, x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so let's go back to the original equation. Now take a look at this equation. We have division by x. Because of this, x cannot be equal to 0, right? So therefore, we have only one solution. And what is the solution? X is equal to negative 2. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.